what is cost management? I mean, is it just about finding the cheapest supplier?
It's anything but, actually. Proper cost management isn't about chasing the very cheapest cost for your business, reducing the cost. It's all about investing time. It's all about knowledge of the industry and about expertise in the cost category you're actually looking at, to ensure your business benefits from the very best service at the most cost-effective price.
Sometimes the people that phone you up and tell you their services are cheaper, it's not entirely true. And it's not also just about going to your current provider and just trying to squeeze more discount out of them. It's actually about looking at why you're having those costs and actually addressing that.
Absolutely. Well, it's the first most important thing is to understand, do you have the right supplier providing the right solution for your business?